Hi, welcome to Train Signal. I'm Mike Hammond and I'm going to be your instructor for the Windows Server 2012 Configuring Advanced Services course. This class allows us an opportunity to dig deep into the new exciting features of the Windows Server 2012 release, and we'll explore all sorts of neat ways to be able to secure your environment, to improve the manageability of your environment. Lots of great features coming your way. Some old features get new facelifts, some new exciting technologies that are going to enhance the way that you do business and secure your IT environment. So I look forward to sharing all that information with you. Let's take a minute to look at the prerequisites for a course like this one. This is an advanced services course, so my primary set of prerequisites for you is to have some basic grounding in Windows Server administration in general. To be able to install features, to be able to configure an IP address, to be able to make multiple computers talk to each other on a network. Those things are basics that we're going to assume as we start to move into the new exciting features available to us in Server 2012's Advanced Services area. That being said, we will be referencing, for example, the 70-410 course a couple different times in this course. There'll be a number of places where we'll reference other courses that you'll want to have under your belt to be able to appreciate some of the neat features we're going to be introducing you to. So now that you have an appreciation for the prerequisite knowledge that you're going to need to be able to approach this course, let's take a moment to look at the things that we're going to cover. We're going to cover how to improve the manageability and the security of your DHCP and DNS environments. Microsoft has identified a number of DNS attacks lately, and we'll see some exciting new technologies to be able to secure that DNS environment and avoid hacks. We're going to reduce the number of groups that you need to manage in your Active Directory environment, turning on something called claims-based authentication. We're going to tie that together with something called dynamic access control. Beyond that, we're going to improve the scalability, the availability of the servers in your environment with network load balancing, with the failover cluster functionality. We're going to improve and optimize your Active Directory replication environment, making sure we've defined your sites and site links properly. We're going to secure your environment with certificate services. Beyond that, we're going to extend identity support in your network to your partner organizations using federation services. We'll even secure vital corporate data with Active Directory rights management services. So a number of exciting technologies waiting for you in this upcoming course. So for the purposes of this course, we're employees of a company called Globomantics. What do? Well, they do the same thing that your company does, just not as well. You routinely crush them in the marketplace. But what's important is they've got a set of Windows Server 2012 equipment that they need configured, and we're going to help get them all set up. We're going to install their DHCP servers. We're going to get their failover clusters up and running. There's a lot of important tasks as an IT organization that we need to do to be able to take advantage of the great new features in Windows Server 2012. So I anticipate seeing mentions of the Globomantics company as we work our way along. They're a great company, they're going to be fun to work with, and I hope that you'll learn a lot to be able to apply to your company by helping support them. One other thing worth knowing about this course is we've deliberately calibrated it to line up with Microsoft's exam objectives for the 70-412 Advanced Services exam. So if you're headed towards your MCSA certification, this class is probably going to be a very valuable part of getting ready for that exam. I'm looking forward to sharing the content of this course with you. Let's get started.